He'll do.
Good. Now you can take a nice hot bath and relax, and the doctor won't have to give you a continental.
Right.
He didn't want to in the first place.
You hit the nail right on the head. And while I'm taking my bath, you clean up this room.
Okay.
I thought they were going to fix the plumbing in this room.
But it has been fixed, Mr. Hardy.
Let me speak to the plumber.
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Hello, are you the man that fixed the plumbing in this room?
Yes, what's the matter?
Well, it's all mixed up.
Well, I can't understand that. It looked all right to me.
You shouldn't be a plumber. You should be working crossword puzzles. Ha! That's telling them.